In this video, I'll show you how to add a Read More button in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to your top bar, and on the left-hand side, simply click on Edit so we can start customizing our website. Now from your website, what you want to do is simply scroll down to the section where you want to add a Read More button. I want to add a Read More button on this section, and in order for you to do that, simply hover on a section, and on the left-hand side, simply click on Add Block. Now once you do that, a pop-up will show, and under Essentials, what you want to do is simply click on Accordion. If you can't find Essentials and Accordion, at the top bar, there will be a search bar, and in here, you want to simply search for Accordion. Once that's done, simply head over to Accordion, hold, and then drag within your favorite section. Now, as you can see in here, we have a lot of accordion items. And what you can do to edit this design is simply click on the accordion, and at the top, simply head over to the left-hand side and click on the pencil to edit. From here, you want to go to the right-hand side, and at the very top, simply click on Content. Now on the Content section, what you want to do is simply remove item number 2 and item number 3. To do that, on the right-hand side, there will be a trash bin. Simply click on that to delete. Now you'll be left with one accordion item. To do this, simply click on accordion item number 1. Now this will take you to the accordion title as well as the description. On the title, you want to simply erase this by highlighting and press on backspace and just type "Read More." Now at the bottom, this is where you can add a description for your accordion. You can add however it is that you want to be. And once you're done, simply head over to the top and left-hand side and click on Back. Now once you click on Back, you will notice that this doesn't look like a Read More button. It looks more of like an accordion. To change the design, head over to the top, and beside Content, you want to click on the Design tab. Once you do that, you want to focus on the text. On the text, you want to change the title, so simply on the right-hand side, click on heading number 4 or whatever it is stated on your title. And from here, if you click on the drop-down, you can change this to, let's say, a paragraph number 2 to make it a bit small. What you could also do is on the text, you could also match it to the paragraph description. So on the paragraph, we can set this to number 2. And on the width, what you want to do is set it to large so you could save a bit of space. On the padding, you want to make sure that this is set to small. And on the right hand side, if you click on the 3 dots for more actions, what you could also do is set a custom padding to the top, right, bottom, as well as the left. You can also set the alignment to the left, the center, or the right. Now, what you want to do is simply scroll down, and on the Design tab, you want to click on Dividers. Now, on the dividers, what you want to do is simply turn this off. To do that, simply head over to Dividers, and on the right-hand side, simply toggle this off. And once that's done, head over to the top and left-hand side and click on Back again. What you could also do is on the icon, if you click on the drop-down, you can set this to plus or an arrow. Now what you could also do is if you scroll down, you can set the row padding to small. On the icon placement, what you can do is set this on the very left-hand side. So if they click on the Read More, it will actually show right in here. Now you can do a lot of things within the Design tab, and once you're done, simply click on a random section and it will automatically save. Now what you want to do is simply place this on a part of your section, so it would look like a Read More. And once you're done, just simply head over to the top and left-hand side and click on Save. Now on preview, it would look exactly like this. If we click on the arrow for Read More, it will show the description. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.